back, y'all. It's date night. Oh my god. Ow. Ow. Yeah, it's date night. Oh, it's date night. Yeah, it's date night. Okay, let me chill. I know y'all was wondering, like, where is she at? Where's she gonna say something? I'm here. Hi. So let me tell y'all about this beauty blender. Oh my god, this small beauty blender is a lifesaver. Oh my god, I love this beauty blender so much. Invest in one, ladies. Invest. Hey guys, I'm back again. Alright, so right here I just wanted to show you that these are the colors that I'm going to use and which order they're going to go in. Peep this nose contour. Oh my god. When I say slaying for the gods, peep it. Just peep it. That's all I want you to do. Peep it. I really want to know who can guess what song I was singing right here. Comment down below. She is so quick. Sweet. Yes, look at this. Oh my god, I'm always serving face, giving life, lusciousness. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked what you saw, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.